Progressive dictation. Start. As you are aware, sir, among the many social and economic evils that beset our nation, food adulteration is most dangerous because the unsuspecting public have no way of knowing that when they buy a certain article, whether it is up to the required standard or not. Full stop. A great deal of quick money has been made by unscrupulous antisocial elements by adultering food stuffs. Full stop. A great deal of ingenuity has gone into this whole process of adulteration. Full stop. I was myself surprised, sir, when the committee went through this to learn in what ways special adulterants are manufactured in large quantities so that food can be adulterated. Full stop. And very often, as you know, sir, the adulteration is of such a nature that it causes death or permanent injury and disablement to the people who consume those articles. Full stop. It is therefore an extremely serious matter, and there has been a demand from all sections of the public and in both houses that this entire Prevention of Food Adulteration Act should be amended, should be made more effective, and that there should be strong and effective action against these antisocial elements. Full stop. Para. For this purpose, sir, I introduced in this House an amendment to the Prevention of Food Adulteration Act 1954. Full stop. This act was passed 45 years ago by Parliament. Full stop. The experience of its administration, I must admit, sir, has not been very impressive so far, both because the act itself had loopholes and also, I must admit, because our administrative machinery, particularly in the states, was not really as effective as it should be. Full stop. Therefore, I introduced this amendment in the Rajya Sabha on August 12. Full stop. At that time, there was a demand from all sections of this House as well as the members of Parliament from the Lok Sabha and the general public that in view of the very important nature of this legislation, it should be referred to a joint select committee. Full stop. So, in response to that, it was referred to a joint select committee. Full stop. It had 33 sittings and represented its report. Full stop. It looked into almost 250 memoranda and discussed this matter for a considerable period of time about a year, full stop, and I would like to express my gratitude particularly to my honorable friend for his wise and mature guidance of the work of the committee, from which we benefited very greatly and we took keen
or not.
interest in the matter. Full stop.